All right, so today we're doing some more work on our leach field. Got the Mini X, filling up my wheelbarrow. I was also using the dump trailer with this guy, but I had to widen the trench, so I put dirt on this side of the trench. Went ahead and widened it about another foot. I've got my paper up on the sides, which I'll fix in a minute. But we're putting our gravel on the bottom here. Right now I'm gonna go in, level it out. We've got our distribution fork right here. Clean out up there on this side of the fence. I've got a cap for that too I need to put on there after we get everything all said and done. Here's one of the pipes. Other one's over there. Lay it in. So we're getting close. This hole's about 4 feet deep, give or take a foot and a half. I'll show you all some more finished product. All right, my camera crapped out on me again, but essentially this is what we ended up with. I've got my drain pipe right here. There's a 90 at the end of that side, and I've got an opening right there for a clean out. I'm gonna cap that, so if the tank ever does rise up high enough, the sludge won't enter in there and travel to my leach field. We're on a downward slope towards the leach field right here. And I also put some toilet bowl flange wax. I took it off the plastic. I had about 3 of them and packed it around the pipe. And I used some of the plastic packing wrapper to stack it on the outside just so the dirt doesn't eat away at it if it doesn't weather. We're gonna start backfilling after I make sure I've got my appropriate drop. Right here I'm too low, so I'm gonna put bricks underneath my pipe to get it exactly level the way I want it at a 1/4 of an inch drop every 10 feet. So the end over there at the 20-foot mark should be dropped about 1/2 inch. Then I'll start backfilling our gravel. And after I get the gravel backfilled, I will use my weed paper that I put all the way underneath, kind of cupping the ground. I'll fold it over that gravel that's covering my leach lines. Essentially that's going to keep all the fine dirt and sand from falling into my small holes that I have and plugging it up. We don't want that to happen, so we're going to make sure that only gravel's on top. I'm going to sift the gravel some more, make it less dusty, wash it more for the ones I'm putting on top, and that way we know we've got a good clean flow. If it ever rains, water going back into the system and not getting more dirt stuck into those holes. That will make our system last a whole lot much longer. That's it.